so fixated with central London. So you got like Piccadilly Circus, barber shops around here. It's okay, thank you, madam. Oh. Influx of European people also that come to London. So you don't really get paid well. Whereas in London you can get a higher salary. Right, brother? Happy birthday, man. What's up, brother? Burnt Oak. And this is London. Oi oi, travel shortcuts. This is the bloody London scenery that you don't normally see, nor are you accustomed to. This is it, man. This is the gritty streets of northwest London. Precisely Burnt Oak. That's where we are, mate. Burnt Oak. And it's gritty out here, man. You know, walk with me. Travel shortcuts. Got King Gucci himself walk past. Oi oi. Got Jack the Lad. I mean, it's just urban out here, urban streets. And this is a very diverse ethnic community. People from all walks of life, different backgrounds. Just trying to cross the road. Cheers, mate. Famous London buses. NHS medical worker. Protein shake guy. That was shortcuts, bro. So this is the top of Burnt Oak. And if you go further down, you go to an area called Edgware. And if you go further down here, you go to an area called Colindale, and then Hendon, and then Bank Cross. That'll be for another day or another day. Yes, let's walk down and see what's going on. And yeah, man. It's good, man. I mean, a lot of people come to London and they're so fixated with central London. So you got like Piccadilly Circus, Leicester Square, but no one really comes to like the neighborhoods, the smaller towns and areas. So I would invite you guys to check out these little smaller towns and areas. The likes of Edgwares and the Burnt Oaks and the Colindales and Hendon and Bank Cross and the Kilburns and Housden. You know, definitely. So this is the London that they don't show you. You know, it's not all teas and bloody crumpets or bad teeth. All absurd accents. Far from it. Oi oi. That's a good throw, brother. Good one, man. Play baseball? It's got a good arm on there, eh? So, it's got a lot of salons and barber shops around here. It's okay, thank you, madam. Oh. You alright, brother? You want help? You want help? You strong man, huh? Cheers, brother. Big boss. How you doing, brother? Yeah, just speaking to some family. You're good there, yeah?
Yeah, I'm good.
This brother's got a good barber shop, yeah? Is it there, yeah?
Yeah.
How's your brother? Is he better now?
Yeah. It's alright.
You there? Take care, brother. Yeah, you cut my hair before. God knows his name, forgot his name. But you know, we're out here. So his shop's over here. Here normally. Cuts hair there. All around here. He has there. There. The London that you don't see on TV. We've got a lot of influx of European people also that come to London, and usually they come here for a little holiday or for other reasons, looking for work, support their families, because you know in countries like Poland and Romania, Bulgaria, etc., you don't really get paid well, whereas in London you can get a higher salary. Yeah, and it goes a long bloody way over here. So it's a very diverse community, made up of Eastern Europeans, people from Caribbean and African descent, obviously Pakistani, Indian, people from Afghanistan, Iraq, just Iran, everywhere. So you've got the black store here with the black hair, and funny enough it's run by an Asian person, a lot of hair, black products there. Got the salon here with the barbers. Got the Arabic person, Somali, Eritreans. You know, another barber shop here and salon over there. Yeah, it's the dog's bollocks. Little Tory. This is London. Nice. Right, brother?
Boo.
Happy birthday, man. Thank you. Got the chicken and chips. So. Yeah. What's up, brother? You good? No free samples, yeah? Nothing free here? £1? Nothing's ever free here. Cool, brother. Yeah. Got these are nice over here. Little store here. You can get nice steak bakes, chicken pies, etc. Really nice over here. You got your nitties as well. People abused by the substance, in love with the yay, so to speak. Yeah. And it's not really working, is it? Not really working. You okay, sister?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got the Lambo there, brother, yeah?
Yeah.
Swear down. Jeez.
Hi, bro.
Delivery guy. Yeah, it's just a calm community, really. Calm, cool community. It's a lot of togetherness. Yeah, we're out here. So London, you don't really see Brown Toke. So before face masks were mandatory, but now it's not so mandatory. So you can pretty much do whatever you want really over here. What's up, brother? So this is a London Underground here. This is the Burnt Oak Underground station. Oi oi, Burnt Oak. And you can see the whole map of London, well, most of the London Underground. This is the map right here. Now, cheers, my dear. Got the little metro under transportation newspaper. So you can come here to buy your little underground ticket. Or if you have difficulties, there's normally someone over here there in the assistance block or inside here that can help you a little hand. You just put your little ticket inside there and then you whiz off. Right, boss? And we're out here, London. So yeah, COVID's real. So just, I guess, I haven't taken my vaccines, but there you go. That's just me in it. I'm knocking anyone that takes it or chooses to take it, but I'm not nowhere there. And yeah, London in motion, man. This is a London you don't see, people, man. Just normal day out here. It's fantastic, extraordinary, wonderful, memorizing, and then yeah, ODN, man. If you're ever thinking of taking a trip down here, you know, come over. You know, hang around these parts, the parts that they don't really advertise on, they don't really promote as much. You know, very friendly, welcoming, diverse, tight-knit communities. You know, waiting to receive you guys with open arms, man. Respect, real, recognize real in it, always.
Welcome to Poundland Station. For your safety and security, CCTV...
Sorry about that.
Help us to keep your journey running safely and smoothly. Keep your belongings with you at all times. And if you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See, safe, sorted.
Thanks. You're welcome. Boss, has the 302 gone past?
Sorry?
The 302 bus has gone past?
I don't know. Which one?
302, has it gone past?
Yeah.
So yeah, just that was a little tour around London, Burnt Oak. I didn't actually walk in the other side. I did want to, but I'm feeling bloody tired. So I'm just gonna get on this bus. But yeah, this is us. Yeah, this is the London they don't want you to see. Well, not that they don't want you to see, but it's not really promoted heavily. So yeah, travel shortcuts. Live to live, not live to survive. We're out here in the streets, raw, gritty streets. You know, I also don't want the video to go on for too long. So yeah, wanted to walk through the other side, but nah, it's alright. So yeah, I'm gonna jump on this bus and home sweet home. Live to live, not live to survive. Jeez. flip's sakes. This is it. This is our life, innit? Oh, be careful there, boy. Jeez. Correct. This guy. Donnie, all right. Boom. Jeez. Licked it clean off. What a fool.